Tuesday, March 31st. Nothing there. New Bombardier there. Engine still there. Nina Pinta Santa Maria is pretty excited. So is Mila. Kat doesn't know what's going on. But they're washing the floor here in the shop and getting ready for this next job already. They've got it mounted up and off the ground. This is a 1971 or an AA71 wide gauge Bombardier. This came in from down south. Customer wants a complete restoration job. And if you remember Gary Hopper's machine, it was a, he wants it like that. Here's the tag for everybody if you're looking, AA71. And there's that engine. That engine's coming out. And everything's getting stripped off. That 318 with the transmissions going in. Dad's been working on it for a week to get it up to par. It's going to get a complete restoration, paint job. So windows have got to come out. Got to punch out all that old paint. Probably going to get sandblasted outside. This is just going to get ripped out. We're putting in power steering. We're putting in spring dampers. We're going to be doing all brand new gauges. Got a couple spare tires in the back there. And so these guys would have been probably attempting the disassembly here today. They pulled out the green narrow gauge. It's sitting outside. And we're going to do a test run on that one here shortly. Likely Dad's going to have to take a look at this rad, but I would imagine it's going to get re-cored. And so the customer wants the best of the best here. He was so happy with Gary Hopper's Bombardier that he bought, and the fact that he can just go out and turn the key and it starts, that he wants the same on this one. And Dad does not want to fool around with any more junk for a while. This is in rough enough shape that Dad can actually take the time to make sure that it's built right to his specs. If you notice up top, there's quite a bit of damage with missing chunks of paint, and there's lots of rust up there. But Larry just showed up here as well, came in from Saskatchewan, so we're going to go visit with him, and we're going to do a test run here right away. We're going to do the headliner in here as well. Pretty rough shape. And that's all going to get ripped out. And going to work on some doors. All these windows have got to come out. Because we got to do not just painting, but sandblasting. And if you can see, here's one chunk that came off, looks probably the top. Dad's just showing Larry the new motor that's going in. Doesn't look like there's any springs. And missing a wheel. Black tire there. These tires look pretty rough. They're going to all have to do probably new sprockets. Aidan's doing some grinding here to get the back door off. And let's see what else here we got. These tires look a little better. We got to check every single tire as well. Aidan just took off the back door. They got to take out the rad next, and then disassemble the motor there and haul it out of place. Very likely not going to see too much in the way of saving on anything of this. We'll see what we can do for a new seat or a new bench seat for this guy. We're going to put the power steering in. I mentioned that already. So that's coming out. And then the other thing Dad has to do is open up the front here. So I would estimate an easy 2 to 3 months worth of work here. So end of March now, April, May, June. This customer will probably be coming here end of June and pick it up if we're lucky. So these two machines belong to two brothers, and they're now out of the shop. Red's been out for a while. Green got moved out today. And they run good, but Dad doesn't like the plug wires on the green, so we're going to put some new plug wires in. Really warming up around the shop here. They've got the yellow 71 in the shop. My Filipino Emily is eating a little bit of snow. There's our muskeg tractor. Had to put it out of the shop because we just need the space, and we've been working around it, so we'll get back to it. And yeah, it's just a busy day. Larry's here as well, and these guys there's no breaks around here, so it's right into the next job, and that customer hopefully is coming out tomorrow. Well, Aidan wasted no time. Seat's already out. He's been sweeping up all the crap in here. I think he's got both seats over here. He had the tires as well. Would have put them somewhere around here. Now there they are. Larry brought a bunch of spare parts as well, so we'll have to unload those later on. And today treats for my dogs. And there's Filipino Emily, Mila Blondie, Charles in Charge, or sorry, Yeti the Yetters, and Charles in Charge. And then visitors, Larry from Saskatchewan. Charles in Charge just joined us, eh? Oh, my good dog. Hi, Filipino Emily. Charles in Charge. What a good dog. Fat dog of mine, eh? Old fat dog.